The if function is the most basic conditional analysis function in Excel. It has three arguments: the condition, what to do if the condition is true, and what to do if the condition is false. The syntax for if is logical test, a value or logical expression that can be either true or false. In this argument, you can specify a text value, date, number, or any comparison operator. Value if true. The value to return when the logical test evaluates to true, that is, if condition is met. Value if false. The value to be returned if the logical test evaluates to false, that is, if the condition is not met. For example, this formula checks to see if the value in A2 equal to 1 and returns a yes if true and no if false. This formula checks to see if the value in A5 equal to S and returns a 1 if true and 2 if false. The if function can be used to evaluate both text and values. You are not limited to only checking if one thing is equal to another and returning a single result. You can also use mathematical operators and perform additional calculations depending on your criteria. For example, this formula checks to see if actual is greater than budget, then return over budget, otherwise return within budget. Instead of returning a text result, we can return a mathematical calculation. We can use this formula to calculate the amount over the budget. Using if function with the numeric values is based on different comparison operators to express the conditions. For example, use greater than operator to check if the value in E2 greater than 500 and return yes or no. You can use less than, equal to, etc. For case-sensitive logic, use the if function in combination with the exact that compares two text strings and returns true if the strings are the same, otherwise it returns false. For example, in this formula, exact returns true if value in A8 is all caps delivered, else false. If you want to base your condition on a partial match, use if in combination with isNumber and search or find functions. For example, if no action is required both for delivered and out for delivery orders, use this formula. The search function returns true if it finds the letters DELIV anywhere in the string, else false. You can use dates in the if function. If you directly enter the date in an if function, it is treated as string. For example, the formula uses if condition to check if the date in C2 is greater than December 31st, 2020 and returns current if true, else previous. It must return previous, but since the date is treated as string, it returns wrong results. If you want the if condition to evaluate dates properly, you can use a valid date function like date value, etc. To mark future dates, use this formula. To mark past dates, use this formula. To mark both past, future, and current in a single column, use nested if function. The first if returns future date if the value A2 minus today is greater than 1, else the second if returns past date if the value in today minus A2 is greater than 1, else current. Let us see how to check for a blank cell using if. For example, to check if the date delivered in column C is empty and return complete, you can use the logical expression equal to blank, equal to empty string, or not equal to empty string. You can also use if and is blank, or if and is blank equal to false. You can use the result returned by if in another Excel function. We can use if and average to get the grade of the student. For example, use this formula to return A if average is greater than or equal to 75, B if average is greater than or equal to 50, else C. To find the highest and lowest scores, you can use the max and min functions. We have the total scores in column B. Use if and max to find the best result. Use if and min to find the worst result. To get both the results in one column, you can nest if functions. That is, you can use another if function as an argument to the first if function. The first if returns best result if the value in B2 is the max value, else the second if returns worst result if the value in B2 is the min value, else empty string. To download example Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.